Welcome everybody to another Las Vegas adventure. Let me make sure my microphone is clear and clean. We are far, far, far away from the Las Vegas Strip. Well, you can kind of see down there. There is the Wynn Hotel, and we're just on the side street. We're in Chinatown. An amazing place so far, it looks like. It's just like one long strip of mall area on both sides. I'm not exactly sure what Uber or Lyft just dropped us off, so I have no idea what's here yet. I just wanted to start this introduction at a pretty fantastic place. If you can tell behind me, we're in for an adventure. Come on, let's go Tiki out. So today's Las Vegas adventure is bringing us to Chinatown to check out the Golden Tiki. Open 24 hours, exotic foods, cocktails, and gaming. We're not coming in for the gaming. We're coming in for the cocktails and more. There is something in here that is going to blow people's minds, from my understanding. I've never been here, just seen a couple videos on this place and went to the website. It has some Disney stuff in here, has some Hollywood stuff in here, and some jungle stuff. How it all combines and works out, we're going to find out together. I hear it's my jam, Jen Vargas. Yo ho ho ho, a pirate's life for me. Pull over here, just noticed something I didn't. I was focused on the door and they were playing Pirates of the Caribbean inside. But if you look above the door, look at that. This place may not be safe to drink at. Well, while we're waiting to walk in this place, I noticed something else. Look at what they have here. The Lobster Man. At first I thought it was a Fiji mermaid, but no, it's a lobster man. Imagine swimming at Daytona Beach and coming across one of these things. Yeah, I'd jump out of the water. Jesus wouldn't be the only one being able to walk on water if one of those things were in it. About 40 minutes before we have to check in, the place is still closed at the moment, and we're just gonna kind of kick back a little bit, and we decided to walk down the hallway a little bit, and we found this amazing little place, and they do have some food, not much. It's a little Chinese restaurant thing, but I had, and Jen had a passion fruit, and I got a mango smoothie with these raspberry or strawberry boba popping balls in it, and it is really good. If you guys are ever in Las Vegas and want to come do what we're getting ready to do, if you watch this Tiki Room video, if you walk just down the breezeway a little bit, there's this place, and it's called Lee's Coffee, I think is what it says. Cafe.
Lee's Sandwiches.
It says coffee on there.
I know, but the sign says Lee's.
Oh, so it's Lee's Sandwiches. But try this mango boboli, and it sounds the way Jen is chowing down on that passion fruit one. She enjoys hers too, so.
It's really good.
Total cost, 12 bucks for everything? 12 bucks for the sandwich and 2 of these. Not bad. Better than strip prices, definitely. This is like $15 alone on the strip.
No alcohol.
And no adult beverage, yeah. Let me turn you on to the new Nomadic Hippie backpack. Look at that. Is that the sweetest thing? Look at that. Nomadic Hippie. Yes, I'm full of myself. It's pretty big, has lots of storage space. I'll do an unboxing video of this at a later time, but at the moment, I have to show it off to somebody. Oh.
Hide that for me because they don't allow that in.
Oh.
Thank you.
You can I hear.
So I have a couple of different opportunities because I read your notes. So I wanted to get your opinion on where you feel feeling.
Holy God, guys. Look at Jen's backpack. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I'll record all this in a second. Let's get seated. Right, so I know there's a lot of, it's loud in here, probably some copyrighted music, so I'm gonna try and talk over stuff as it's going, but what an amazing looking place. We're gonna take you guys to walk around after I order my adult beverage. I don't know why I'm leaning to the camera, the microphone's right here, but for starters, let me show you where we're at. This place is called the Golden Tiki. You've probably seen when we're outside. I don't know what their social media stuff is, but you can look them up. I am going to give you something called a painkiller, basically because We're Disney people. We live in Orlando. And this drink here is called a painkiller, and it is basically an adult pineapple Dole Whip. It's a Dole Whip made out of pineapple rum. You gotta try it. So that's what I'm getting ready to get. Once that comes, I'm gonna take you guys on a little adventure to check this place out. Hopefully, my camera does okay in the low light. We'll find out. The bad thing about coming to tiki bars is it is very dark inside. I am starting in the very, very back room of this place, just because some of the staff said when you come in here, there are hidden secrets throughout the entire lounge. It's up to you to find them. But they said start back here and check out the portholes. Now, just to be safe, some of it may be adult oriented. I'm assuming I'm gonna peek before it goes on camera for any possible nudity. Just in case. Anyway, let's check out some of this amazing stuff. I'm standing directly in front of a porthole. Yeah, you guys can't see in there. And there is quite a few here, but this is what we came to see. And I will bring you back to this one in a few minutes because there's some amazing shrunken heads in there, but supposedly they're hidden all over this place. But there's some people sitting on this, so we're not gonna do that. But check this out. Now those are boobies, but it's a mermaid. It's a deceased mermaid. You kind of wander on down here to the bathrooms. This is what I was talking about. Check out these shrunken heads. Ernest Hemingway has a shrunken head here. We got, I don't know who Angelino Moore is. Professor Rex Dart, don't know who that is, a historian. See who? Hunter S. Thompson. Check that out. Hunter S. Thompson's shrunken head. Nicolas Cage. I just watched him in a crazy movie the other day. Holy cow. Don't know who that is. RuPaul maybe? Cher? David Bowie? That looks like either Rob Zombie or Charles. That has to be Rob Zombie. I was going to say Charles Manson, but oh no, it says right there, Rob Zombie. Lots of little ancient creatures. It is really dark in here. I should have brought my other camera that has a light on it. But yeah, this is the Museum of the Strange. Now, rumor also has it the bathrooms are pretty fascinating. I'm going to go in the bathrooms first, make sure nobody's doing anything, and then I will take you into the bathroom. So it's going to be the first time Hippie has recorded in a bathroom other than my own, or when I'm doing something in. Let's go. Nobody is in here. Trust me, nobody's in here. Check this bathroom out. What the heck? Oh, look. The pirates and thieves beware. Eyes be everywhere. They be watching me. Look at the bathroom theming of this place, right? If you need to sit, God, yeah. I don't think I could sit there and go with this surrounding me. We all knew branded to, what? Branded to? I don't understand that pirate. I don't understand pirate talk.
Well, I'm fucking your wife and I'm blowing your paycheck, ass.
Okay. This is the wallpaper I want for Cousin Eddie. Okay, maybe not. I'm gonna be heading back real fast because I do have an adult beverage coming and I don't want it to melt. You know what? They tell the best jokes in the bathroom.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Yeah, like what's the difference between, well, I can't, you're Jen Vargas. I can't talk that way in front of you. Okay, you guys can't see this drink. It is rather dark in here. But this is called a painkiller, and it is basically an adult.
Dole Whip?
Yeah, basically a pineapple Dole Whip with lots and lots of rum. So really excited to try that. And you do get an umbrella.
It's so pretty.
It is. It looks amazing. So let me drink this and we'll go around a little bit more because this place is rather massive. I'm gonna leave this painkiller here for just a little bit. Leave my phone right there. And I am going to walk around this way. This place is amazing. You would think there'd be a lot, I don't know, a Polynesian music, maybe in the Polynesian areas, this is what they listen to now. They, I guess in Hawaii and in the islands, they like listening to copyrighted music. I don't know. But check these out. They have actual pirate skulls. I don't know if you guys can see them. With the naked eye, I can see them, but on camera, I don't know. That's our waitress over there. She's sweet, adorable. This guy looks creepy here. This is Anna Bonny, the Pirate Queen. That girl's more of a queen than that queen. But I've seen this over here. What is this? Oh, it's a clam chair. First, it's an Instagram selfie, but look up here behind this clam chair. If you go out behind the clam chair, there's more shrunken heads. We got Rod Stewart. We got Zoe Bowie, Guns N' Roses guitarist. Yeah, lots of cool people there. I'm on a hunt for a specific one though. Supposedly they have a Walt Disney shrunken head. That's what we have to find. We have the Ramones, all of them. That's Slash. I can't read. I can't get back there. But yeah, so many shrunken heads in this place. You know you made it as a celebrity if you get your head shrunken and put in this place. One of these days. One of these days. Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I just finished something called a painkiller. Now I am getting something called, what's it called, Jen?
It's a no-brainer.
A no-brainer. That's why I can't remember the name. The drink is called a no-brainer. Supposedly, after I finish this thing, I'm not going to be able to do anything. I'm going to lose my brain, what I have of it. So I don't know how much more I'm going to be able to record because I refuse to do a drunken video again, unless I'm at the Hard Rock. All gloves are off there. Look at the ambiance of this place. Check out, oh guys, check out what I did to my backpack. Ready to rock this out? Tiki God, hold on, can you say it? Tiki God. This is an amazing backpack. Later on when I do the unboxing, I'll tell you guys how to get one of these, maybe for your YouTube channel. But you can just do anything you want on this silly thing. It is amazing. Anyway, I'll try and see how long I can stay coherent and maybe run through this place and show you guys around after another drink. But this brain killer,
It's a no-brainer.
a no-brainer. See, yeah, I can't even remember it now. So this isn't. This is going to be a night. Last night in Vegas. You cannot leave without. You have to leave your brains in Vegas. Okay, the drinks came and the shrimp came. So as an appetizer, I got coconut shrimp. Though you can't see it. Well, maybe you can. We'll hold the candle. Hold the candle to the shrimp. Nothing can hold a candle to the shrimp. And then we got something called...
It's a no-brainer.
A no-brainer. I know. God, I'm gonna not remember that. Anyway, so it is like a whole bottle of 151. They put it like in a shrinking machine, so you get a full bottle, and they condense it down. Science. That's all I gotta say. I don't know, but look at that. Ooh. So, if I drink this tonight, you guys never hear from me again.
You'll know why.
I'll probably be selling my body in a Tijuana hotel to American tourist.
See you in Tijuana, Rick.
All right. He was going Shaka Khan. I seen it through his mask, singing Shaka Khan. Right, so we just found out something really cool about this bar. Let me get here where you guys can see me. Let me get down here. We got lights here. All right, there is something at the end over here that is a piece of historical. It's historical. Check this out. They have Hunter S. Thompson's knife, his knife, that he shoved through the Richard Nixon's face here in this bar, in this very bar, right? Hunter S. Thompson's knife's over there.
What's that?
Hunter Thompson's knife is in a Nixon thing.
I can show you. Yeah.
Come on.
Right up here.
Oh, I thought it was over there.
Right up above, right there.
Did Jen go behind the bar?
What's that?
How did she get that close-up picture?
She's got skills.
Damn vagina women, you guys
Yeah,
get
vagina's
everything.
got power.
Got power.
But you know what though? Giant penises have power too, especially when they're a tiki penis.
Holy God, that puts
My
me.
husband caught that with passion.
That probably puts me and your husband to shame.
Well, I caught him doing it.
Oh, motherfucker. That is really cool. Thank you. So I'm gonna. I don't know if you can see it, but up there at the bar, Hunter S. Thompson's knife is thrown through Richard Nixon's head, and that's his actual knife. For those of you that don't know who Hunter S. Thompson is, I'm sorry. I am too drunk to explain who the man is. Watch Where the Buffalo Roam and Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. You'll get an idea. I have been drinking way too much. We're going back to the girls' bathroom because I forgot to see something that I think you guys would be mind blown. So tap, 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 tap on the door. How come my feet hurt? I guess walking all day does that? Is there any girls in there?
Not quite.
Gotta wait? Oh my
We have a
God.
secret surprise.
A secret surprise? What's the surprise? She's shitting?
I hope not.
Oh, me too. You're coming out of the bathroom. Would you give me a tour of the bathroom?
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Okay, first of all, this is the ladies' room.
This is the ladies' room.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a tour. Thank you so much. I found. Oh, I'm blowing her
You
off.
want to make sure nobody's in either one of these places. But if
Uh-huh.
you want to open the door, you gotta grab the top.
I don't want to grab the cock. Yeah. Oh my God, girl. This is the girls' bathroom. This is what, guys. This is what the girls' bathroom is like.
Two brass cocks in here for any lady who really wants it. They should probably put them a little lower.
Yeah. You know
But
what?
I don't know what all this stuff is.
They're cocks.
Oh, wow.
I listen.
No, this is like a.
Yeah, but listen to the audio. All this is penises. Look it down here.
No, this is a.
Climb on my shoulders. You're,
Protects. Oh, stop.
yeah, and then look right here. What is that? Does that protect you too?
It might.
What is all this insane shit in the girls' bathroom? This is what are all girls' bathrooms like this? And everywhere. If you go to Denny's, is this what a Denny's girls' bathroom is like?
Absolutely not. You know what you miss? Like, there used to be this place in Milwaukee, right?
Mm-hmm.
The mirror to the men's bathroom and the women's bathroom was see-through. but
So you
didn't
can see what the
know.
girls
You
are
didn't
doing?
know, but you didn't know. The other people didn't know. They thought it was just a regular mirror.
Holy cock.
Stop, huh?
That would be fucked
But it
up.
was fun.
So they're sitting there doing their makeup, everything else, and I'll straighten up the boobs. Or this is great. Well, thank you for the.
Pineapples. They're not upside down, though.
Oh my God! I came to Vegas and I seen boobies. Oh, I knew I would see them on here. Oh, it's so great! I can't wait. Now I can go back home to Orlando and be happy. This is an amazing. This is pretty cool. A great place. Thank you so much. I've had way too many mind benders or whatever they're called. I got it. You're a lady. I let you go first. Thanks for everything.
You're from Orlando?
Yeah, Orlando.
Oh, fun. You go travel all over and do your stuff?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, I need to follow you then. Where's
Yes,
that?
you do. I am nomadic,
Nomadic, hold on.
hippie,
You talking about Instagram?
and on YouTube or wherever. Instagram's fine too,
Okay.
but on
I'll find you
YouTube.
on YouTube. Okay, what are you?
Nomadic hippie,
Nomadic.
HIPPIE. That's me. On YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Rick?
Rick.
Yeah.
It's so nice
It's
to
a pleasure to meet you too.
Yeah,
Thanks.
have a good time here.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
That girl rocks. All right, guys, so that's about it. I am going to go ahead before my audio stops. Boy, the people you meet, right? The people you meet. Before we go, let's tell you what the damage of tonight is. The bill has come. The time has come. You know what? Just to be able to touch penises on a door, I don't care. It's priceless. It's priceless. The great thing about it, I don't know how much I'm paying actually. It's so dark in here, you can't see. So I'm not going to worry about it until I check my bank account tomorrow. So until the next time, thanks everybody for tuning in. Sorry that this video sucks because I've been just kind of enjoying myself. So I've been selfish. Sorry, man. Until the next time, I love you guys from probably the Las Vegas airport. When we're flying back to Orlando, will be the next video you guys see. So until then, peace, everybody. Love you all. Okay, numerous drinks in the gullet, everything else. I could barely stand. I realized I might have made a mistake going on that bathroom tour. There was a girl in there that was going tinkle. She was going potty. And she decided to go ahead and give me a tour of the bathroom. You know, knocked on the door. She was coming out of the stall and showing us some of the door handles that are what girls' bathrooms are actually like. You know, as guys, we wonder what bathrooms are like in the female room. We know. But I realized I don't think my microphones were turned on. And so there might have been a lot of silence there. Then now I may be wrong. Like I said, I've been tipping a few back, and not exactly sure how that turned out. So when I get back to the hotel room tonight, start editing video, I will find out. If it is silent, I apologize. Just realize that I'm just showing you guys male genitalia in a female bathroom at this amazing establishment, the Golden Tiki. Tiki, the Golden Tiki, that's it. Peace, everybody.